One of the features about pivot tables that seems to be rarely known is the ability to duplicate pivot tables again and again with a certain item chosen. So for example, here we've got our pivot table, and here in destination network you'll see we've got a number of items. What I want to do is I want to create this pivot table, but I want to create a new sheet, and for one sheet it must be switched on, for example, to cell C, and then for the next sheet MTN, etc. So a quick way to do that is when you're in a pivot table, if you go to Analyze, you'll see over here there's something called Options. Now it's very important, you mustn't, if you click the Options button, you get an item which is not necessarily what we're looking for. So you must click on the drop down. And when we click the drop down, you'll see there's an item here called Show Report Filter Pages. If I click on it, Excel asks which of the items that are currently in the filter do we want to basically rotate through, create automatic versions of it. We know it's going to be destination network. And watch down here as I click the OK button. When I say OK, can you see it's created a new sheet? It's called it cell C, switched cell C on, and that report is now the cell C report. If I go to MTN, it's created the MTN sheet, switched MTN, and created the MTN report. So you can easily create multiple sheets with pivot tables that relate to a very specific field chosen.